So there are a lot of youngsters and a lot of new ideas that come around. But in most cases, these youngsters require a lot of other support to make these ideas into a practical business proposition and also give them a platform to try them first somewhere so that they can gain experience and also sort of debug the platform or debug the concepts. That is where JioGenNext has been coming in, encouraging them, giving them guidance, and also giving them opportunities, particularly in the Reliance ecosystem, to try out their ideas, see how effective they are, and also give them a lot of hands-on experience, which otherwise is difficult to come by. For one thing, what happens is that many times these ideas look very interesting and attractive, but when you apply them in the real world, effectivity or the advantages that you had planned or you thought that this would be, how useful it would be, doesn't work out to be that useful. So first thing is not to get discouraged when if the first time around the efforts are not very successful. But overall, if you consistently persist on it and continue to improvise, I think eventually it should come through. It's a question of time and how much efforts that are possible.